Damn, this looks really scary, but it's actually a sign of good engineering. Aircraft wings are designed to bend a lot. If they were rigid, they would break. During flight, wings experience massive forces from lift, turbulence, and maneuvers. Flexibility allows the wing to absorb these forces instead of fighting them. On large aircraft, wingtips can flex several meters upwards. That's fully expected and long tested before the aircraft ever leaves the ground. Before certification, wings are bent far beyond anything they'll ever experience in service, without failing. So next time you see a wing flex like this, relax. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do.